Hello everyone, good night. I will explain you how I do to my code. So the first one, I use for the input system, I use red line and to input the system, and I save the variable we input on the end. So if we run the code like not uh, test.js, so it will input how many row for the triangle. So if I put 5, it will print 5 for the each triangle, like 5 row on the left and left triangle, and 5 row on the center triangle. And the number we input, the number we input, it will be saved on the variable end. So let's move on the how to build the triangle. So on the function, we need a function print left triangle, or you can name it whatever you want. So I will say this the code I use is for let e equal to 1 and e not more or equal to n and e plus plus. So I will explain for how we use for. So this one is the first starting point, and this the second one is end point, and the last one is like what we will do to the starting point, like uh, on the on what I use is I plus plus. So I will be plus uh, will be plus to the on the second loop. So basically on the first loop, I is equal to 1, and because of I plus plus this one, the I will be uh, equal to 2, because it's plus just 1, like that. So we move on the triangle. So this one part to like console log is to print this star, and repeat it will repeat this to print the star until it equal to the I right here. For the first loop, it's I equal to 1, so the star will print just one star. Okay. And it will loop on the second loop, because e equal to 2, uh, the star will be 2, and for the third loop, I equal to 3, so the star will be 3 right here, and will be looped until it's equal to the end right here, to the end point. So move on the um, center triangle. So on the center triangle, basically for the uh, loop is the same logic, but what it's make it different, it's on the log like here. We will print the space, and we will repeat it uh, by the number n, or the number we input minus I. If the on the first loop we use I is 1, so if we input 5 number, so the space will be 4, and just one star with this logic. And for the second loop, it will be 4. It will be 4. It will be 5 minus I e equal to 2 on the second loop. So 5 minus 2 is 3. That will be 3 space, and for the star it will be with this logic, with this formula, to 2 times e equal to 2. 2 times 2 minus 1, it's 4 minus 1, so 3 star on the second loop right here. So it will be loop again and again, so it will make the triangle to be a center right here. So whatever the number you input, the first star will be center of the other triangle. It will be like this all of the time. Okay, thank you. That's all I can explain. Bye bye.